On this video, I'm going to show you how to use this to get rid of this, and this one also. When you see a bug on your kitchen or bathroom counter, it is quite possible those bugs came through holes inside the cabinet put there to accommodate the plumbing and electrical. And speaking of bugs, did you know that lots of cultures around the world actually eat bugs every day? Here's my niece Brandy trying to gross out her daughter. Later in the video, I'll play the whole clip and you can see if Brandy actually eats a bug. Given the fact that most bugs enter my kitchen and bathrooms through the openings for the plumbing in the cabinet, I found a way to eradicate them before they get in the cabinet. I drilled holes at the base of the cabinet as high as possible so they are invisible unless you are laying on the floor. Then I slide my bug spray wand through the holes and drench the floor with insecticide so that the creepy crawlies have to wade through it. This way, I never have to see them. What do you want your mom to do? Oh, she's too quick. Open your mouth, let's see. Now you have to eat one.